You are such a big, beautiful girl.
Yeah, mommy and daddy love you.
Sure, something.
Uncle to daddy.
Baby girl. There we go. Now you got mama's hand. Yeah. Hi, big girl. What are you doing? Oh, you're squeezing. Let's see if I can make it able to see, but. Oh, baby girl. Wait, no? You don't want to do that? Oh, hi, sweetie pie. Hi.
She's so beautiful.
I know. Hi. And I know you don't hate this because you're not sounding your alarm, so that's good.
Well, she knows the love from her mommy and her daddy.
Yeah. Hi, baby girl. How are you doing? Oh, big girl. No, you just want to squirm? Yeah, mommy does love you. Yeah. Can't wait to hold my baby. Big girl. I feel like sometimes she's trying to like wiggle towards me and she can't. She's not strong enough to move
Not
herself.
yet.
Baby girl. Boop, got your nose.
She was ready to pass out.
Yeah.
What a long day you've had, huh? Let's see if I can get a wider shot. No, not without a glare.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, everybody.